Hi, I'm Chris Gumas. Welcome back to Ruland's informational video series. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly use one of our MR-3 L-style torque wrenches. They come preset to torques between 400 and 1080 inch-pounds. This one is set to 575 inch-pounds and has a half-inch drive. It mates to the hex socket bit, which fits the collar that we're going to demo installing on the 3-inch shaft today. Before we go out to the factory, let's make sure we're safe. PPE, glasses, and I'm already wearing my steel toes. I'll see you out there.
Now we're back out in the factory and I'm going to demonstrate how to properly use the MR-3 L-style torque wrench. It is preset to the 575 inch-pounds, which is perfect for this 3-inch collar. It's going to take me about 1 1/4 revolutions to get it into place, and it just clicked, which means that it is at the preset torque, and as you can see, that collar is not moving. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.